Before I get started, I just want to correct myself and let you all know it's called Monet Expressions and not Monette. Y'all know I'm country, so I just want to apologize in advance.
What's up, Kings and Queens? It is Queen Tajay, and I am back with another video. And in this video, I will be unboxing my painting from
Monet Expressions.
I found her on Instagram, and I just loved her work, so I bought it. Great packaging, very snug. It's not loose to where, you know, it could be damaged, and she has a fragile sign. So, y'all businesses take note. I'm going to open this up, and then I'm going to talk about what's in it. Hopefully it's what I asked for. I'm also one of those people who tear up packaging to where I can't even return it if they did take it back. So let's see. Ooh, thank you. Oh, she did a good job. Taped up and everything. Okay, girl. Let me see. Without damaging anything, let me take this off. I might have to do it off camera, so we go see. Oh, sorry, I'm excited. I bought, ooh, look at this. Let me hurry up. Let me stop playing. I bought Golden Hour, and the pictures do not do it justice. Look at that. This is beautiful. She has gold. She has a cream and white. She has some brown, some red, some burgundy. This is beautiful. Look at that. I wish I could do this. I'm smiling all hard because I love art, especially art that I don't know how to do. And those pictures, like I said, do not do it justice. What I love about
Monet Expressions
is that on her page, she's on Facebook and Instagram. She explains how to take care of these. Her policies are very clear. She's consistent. She got back to me in no time because once I saw her post this, I was like, I want that. So what I would give this is actually a 10 out of 10. It's exactly what I asked for. I love the colors. They are bright. They are beautiful. And to me, it tells a story. But like I said, I do love art. So I look at it more than just resin or different colors. I look deeper into it and try to find a meaning for it. If it doesn't have a meaning from the artist, I'll make my own. You know, what does it say to me? So definitely love this girl. You are so talented. Your customer service is great. And also thank you for explaining how to take care of this. A lot of people don't explain how to take care of art. Art is delicate. It's not only beautiful, but it's delicate and it's worth it. All of that time they put into it, the least you can do is take care of it. Shop Monet Expressions. And again, thank you so much for my painting. I'm actually proud of you. I really am.